Miggy here again with another video. You might recognize this from one of Sethbling's videos where he does a sand counter for teams and scoring and all that stuff. And you guys might remember that, well, I worked on this shit for quite some time, over a week. And now I'm thinking about the next big project. And one of the things I want to do next is either another payload map or a control point. More than likely I'm going to go with control point because I have a couple different ideas in my head about how I'm going to do the system and all that stuff. And I worked out a possible concept for engineer, which you can probably see over there in the background. But that stuff is up in the air. By the way, this system that I'm doing here, that I'm working with, Sethbling's team counter thing, can be worked with both payload and control point. And the way it's going to work is, if you remember on playing TF2, on the bottom of the screen or whatever, it show you the location of the payload, how far it was along the track, or you could also put, how many control points have been taken over. And I thought I'd be able to use that idea and actually make a progress bar and have it in a couple of places across the map. I'm just talking to one of my friends there for a second. And have this in a couple places across the map where you would go and you would go across the detector rail and bam, like that. And I set this up and it looks pretty cool, but I thought, hey, what if I made it more attractive looking? So I came up with this idea with lights instead. And it's the same concept, just kind of one-sided. And then I even took it a step further and added a reset button to it that all works off this same button. So basically, the sand starts off at 0, as you see here, and as each sand gets picked up one level, it'll power one of the lamps through one of the many areas I have lit up here. And once all three are powered up, the top sand block will be activating the top redstone lamp, and it'll activate this piston here, which will able to let the power through the button go through this and then go to the reset. So I'm going to show you here real quick. See, that's 1. That's 2. And then that's 3. And then when you get to the final point, it goes like this and resets. How awesome is that? Alright, that's it. I'll see you guys some other time.